Exporting a sequence to a JPEG file format. Let's say I want to take one frame out of here. So maybe in here, I'll come along and I say, you know, right there, I'd like to capture this image. Well, if you come up into the program monitor, we have a button right here called Export Frame. Now, if you don't have this button here, you need to come over here to your button editor, find it in here, and drag it down into your little menu here, and then just say OK. Okay. And so if it's not there, just drag it in. So it's called Export Frame. We are exporting one frame of this video. So when I click on the Export Frame, it says, aha, what do you want to export? And I could just say it's sequence, blah, 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 or I could just say it's gray walls, a hole number 9 with title or something like that, right? And what format do you want? Well, generally we want to go with something like a PNG file, perhaps, or a JPEG, something like that, right? So I normally now would go with a PNG, but we'll go with a JPEG here. And then where do I want this to go? Here's my path. I probably can browse there, and I'll say I want to come up here into this folder right here, export in the sequence. And you can see there's my folder now. I like that. And I can say OK. And it created then just a regular, a regular JPEG now. All right. So if I come over here and say there's my JPEG it created. Okay. So this is if you typically just want to capture one frame to use as a graphic. So this is exporting a sequence to a JPEG file format using our export frame button.